She knows. Where's my coffee? So this is Bean. What's up guys, it's me obviously, and today I'm washing Bean. Now, Bean is my cat. You know, cats don't like water. She's one, like some do. Bean in particular hates it. And usually I wash her with Pumbaa, but it's just me today. Because, I mean, I don't know, I don't know. So this should be interesting. I'm in my mom's bathroom. Because our bathroom, our bathtub and mine and my sister's bathroom, it has doors on it and it's like conjoined with the shower. This one is like, it has a bathtub and then the shower, this thing over here. So I'm gonna wash Bean. I'm kind of scared because, Bean's aggressive and she's like bitchy, so. Oh, I'm so dumb. I love the freaking fit. All right, Bean. I am dreading this as much as you are. Look at me. She is I can feel her claw. Do you see her arm right here? No, in no way am I hurting her, nor am I I don't want people commenting oh, this is abuse, because it's not. I'm literally washing my cat and cats do not like water. If you have a cat, you know cats do not like water. So, no, I'm not hurting my precious kitten. She's not even a kitten anymore. You're like 3. I don't even know how old you are. Oh, and then this is the body wash mixing. This is the body wash I use, but I want her to smell like this because I always smell really good. Not even gonna lie to you, I smell good. I love it. Anyways, it's strawberry and it's Olay and it will be good for her fur. Okay, I'm scared. I am terrified. No, no. Ow, ow, ow. Bean! Okay, so change of plans. I'm bringing Pumbaa because I cannot do this by myself. I love you. I just want you to be clean. You're gonna look stupid for a few hours. Today's Wednesday. I got out early, so it feels like I've been home for 18 hours. Oh, I've been home. What time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:17 p.m.
6:17. I got here at 2. Okay, so I've been here for 5 hours. Normally I would have been here for 4, but I don't know. Oh, dude, seriously, it's she's pierced into my back. This is hurry up, dude. Dude, I've been filming for 8 minutes. Choking on her fur. I am gonna warm up her water because I'm not mean.
Not mean, at least. Question, where's the soap? Oh, it's right there. I was about to freak out.
Alright, Bean, we're already committed. Now there's no going back.
There we go. This is how we
There
did
you
it.
go, yeah. Okay, I was now there's still
Why is this part? She brown and black.
but not because she's dirty. That's just how she is because she went outside. Look
Cute
at
and
Bean,
sassy.
you're so pretty.
So you're gonna be soon.
Let's show
In a
them.
couple hours.
Show them. Loki, she's not even reacting.
Oh, you hit me with your hair.
Sorry.
Couldn't hit you with
I'm
my
showering.
face.
She got my foot. She was ah!
I got it.
It's so cold. Bean, stop! You're gonna get your face wet. Oh my God, you are so awesome. I will her scratching face. Okay, you need to bring her out. I can't.
That's disgusting.
Okay, we gotta figure out.
Ew, look at me.
Go get 2 towels because she's really wet.
I got all the furs on me.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it. I don't want to look at her.
Ew, I forgot about that.
Oh, my back.
Probably. Oh, look at her. Look at this cute little thing.
Her paws are gonna be so fluffy.
Yeah.
That took only 10 minutes.
What the heck?
Yeah, I know. She's gonna hate me for a week. She holds grudges. She's that kind of petty cat. You're warm, dude. And you smell good. You're welcome.
Heck, I don't know where this cat brush is.
They're in. Where did you check?
Your little cupboard thing on the bottom of your desk. You go look for it.
Yeah, here. So I washed Bean. So I brushed her and she didn't like it at all. So I let her go. I finished brushing her in the most part, and so I let her go, and now she's just off somewhere in a little ball. Like she'll literally stay in the same spot for like 4 hours. She hates baths. And yeah, that was this video. It was a really stupid video and I'm really sorry if you were bored while watching it, but and do I have anything else to say? If you want me to make a video, just comment it down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I just messed with my sports bra. That's what that noise was.